Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale video production with Vimeo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To scale video production using Vimeo, begin by setting up a Vimeo account if you haven't done so already. Once your account is established, explore the various Vimeo subscription plans to determine which best fits your production needs. Take advantage of the unique features offered by Vimeo, such as customizable player options and advanced analytics. Familiarize yourself with the Vimeo Create tool, which allows you to make professional quality videos quickly and efficiently. Use the template library within Vimeo Create to streamline your video creation process. Start by uploading your raw footage to Vimeo, ensuring you're organizing your files in folders for easy access. Utilize Vimeo's seamless collaboration features to share projects with team members and clients for feedback. Implement the review tool to receive and manage feedback directly within your uploaded videos, keeping communication clear and organized. Leverage the power of Vimeo's publishing options to distribute your videos across multiple platforms. Set up your own channels or showcases on Vimeo to organize your content and make it easier for viewers to find. Integrate Vimeo with other tools and platforms your team uses to ensure a smooth workflow. Consider utilizing Vimeo Live if your production includes live streaming events or broadcasts. Monitor your video performance using Vimeo's analytics tools to understand viewer engagement and optimize future content. Continuously refine your video production strategy based on the data collected from your analytics. Encourage team collaboration by establishing clear roles and responsibilities for video projects. Stay updated on Vimeo's newest features and updates, which can provide additional tools for efficiency. Regularly engage with the Vimeo community to share insights and gain inspiration from other creators. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your video production with Vimeo, making the process more efficient and impactful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.